All right, y'all, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, bringing you another episode. And today we're in the beautiful city of Irwindale, California for USDM Super Meets. All right, it is catering to, but not specific to, all Hondas and Acuras. I also believe they're going to be opening up the drag strip. So we're going to be seeing a lot of these cars racing up and down. We're going to check out some of the cars that people brought and tapping in with the people, man. Let's see what this event's looking like. Check it out. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy.
Did you see that?
Things weigh 3 pounds, big turbo, all-wheel drive. Not a lot that could beat that. Gonna take a little break from the cars. Let's go check out the drag strip. Drag strip. That's it, drag strip. Yeah. I hear some shit. Good day, we heading out. Dope event. Got a chance to talk to some people, got to see some cars, got to see some drags, got to eat some food. And it's a good day. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. Follow me. It does me a lot in terms of what you guys like, what you guys want to see. I'll return any and every comment. And if you can, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. Big Daniel, signing out. Appreciate y'all.